Hearts and likes should be the only thing on your mind as a creator. What's going on, you beautiful people who are subscribed to my channel? And if you're not and you're new, what are you doing with your life? Hit that subscribe button. But I welcome you to a late night thoughts with Griff. I was sitting down kind of thinking, hey, I need to push out a video this week and what should I make it about? And then I thought, this one is for the creators out there. If you're a creator on YouTube, this video is specifically for you, and it can be a helpful tip to get those views up, those subscribers up, and overall just make your audience feel like you care about them. I know I do, very much so. Anybody that's on this video right now, if you comment down below, I like and heart every single comment within the hour. I guarantee if you comment even a period, anything, I will like it and heart it down below. The only way I'm not hearting that or liking it is if one, you're a bot, and two, if the comment is like this comment and heart it if you hate a certain ethnicity or person or anything that is negative towards people, I will not like it. Now, if you're negative towards me, talking some trash, I'm gonna like and heart it. Again, every single comment I like and heart. That's the biggest thing of this video today, and that's what brings us into the helpful tip. As a creator, and if your video blows up, like a comment or heart it. The reason why is it brings a person back. It gives a person a second look at your channel. They get the notification. Every single person that gets a heart from you gets a notification saying, Griffin Pierson hearted your comment. That will go to every single person that comments on your video. And if you don't believe me, try it. Again, down below, I will heart it. And you will see how the notification works. It gives them a second look at your channel, and it also brings you another view. If people forgot about the video years later, heart it. On my most viewed video on this channel is I never hearted a single comment, and I had about 5,000 comments on that video, and I liked and hearted every single comment, and my views jumped drastically and my subscribers jumped drastically as well. It works, it's helpful, and it's just something that's so easy as a creator that most people I see do not do it. But why? It's a free tool to get a second look at your channel, to get more exposure. It's worth it, and it takes 2 seconds of your time. And that's my helpful tip for the day. Now, if this video was helpful to the creators out there, or just the person who is watching this, demolish that thumbs up button down below and consider hitting that subscribe button. We are approaching 14,000 subscribers. I might not be posting coming up in a few weeks because my computers, this one back here and this one right here, are leaving me, and we are upgrading to the new MacBook Pro with the M1 chip. So our editing flow is much faster, and as a creator will help me get my videos done faster, because that's what these Macs struggle with. This one behind me is completely obsolete, and the one on the floor is pretty good, but I need to give it back to work.